Hi students, today lesson India Relief Features 10th class Social Studies. Important bits: Earth land masses forms originated from two giant lands. Earth land masses forms originated from two giant lands, Angara land or Laurasia, Gondwana land. Angara land or Laurasia, Gondwana land. Laurasia, Northern Hemisphere. Laurasia or Northern Hemisphere, North America, Europe, Asia, except Peninsular India. Laurasian continents, North America, Europe, Asia, except Peninsular India. Gondwana land, South America, Africa, Arabia, Madagascar, India, Australia, Antarctica. Gondwana land, South America, Africa, Arabia, Madagascar, India, Australia, Antarctica. India is originated Gondwana land. India is originated Gondwana land. Standard meridian of India. Standard meridian of India 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. Standard meridian of India 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude. The total length of coastal line of Andhra Pradesh. The total length of coastal line of Andhra Pradesh is 972 kilometers. The total length of coastal line of Andhra Pradesh is 972 kilometers. Standard meridian of India. Standard meridian of India or 82.5 degrees eastern longitude is passing through 5 states: Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude passes this city, Allahabad. 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude passes this city, Allahabad. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. IST, Indian Standard Time. IST, Indian Standard Time. The time difference between GMT and IST. The time difference between GMT and IST. The time difference between GMT and IST 5.5 hours. The time difference between GMT and IST 5.5 hours. The distance of India east to west. The distance of India east to west 2933 kilometers. 2932 kilometers. The distance of India north to south. The distance of India north to south 3214 kilometers. 3214 kilometers. The major physiographic divisions of India. The major physiographic divisions of India. The Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, the desert, the islands. The major physiographic divisions of India: the Himalayas, the Indo-Gangetic Plain, the Peninsular Plateau, the coastal plains, the desert, the islands. The formation of Himalayas was 20 crores years or 200 million years. The formation of Himalayas was 200 million years or 20 crores years. Himalayas are divided into three parallel ranges. Himalayas are divided into three parallel ranges. They are higher Himalayas or Himadri, lesser Himalayas or Himachal, outer Himalayas or Shivaliks. Himalayas are divided into three categories. Himalayas are divided into three parallel ranges: higher Himalayas, Himadri, lesser Himalayas, Himachal, outer Himalayas, Shivaliks. Himalayas ran in the west to east direction with a distance of 2400 kilometers. Himalayas ran in the west to east direction with a distance of 2400 kilometers. The northernmost range of Himalayas. The northernmost range of Himalayas, Himadri or Greater Himalayas. Himadri or Greater Himalayas. Height of Greater Himalayas. Height of Greater Himalayas 6100 meters. Average height of Greater Himalayas 6100 meters. The source of perennial rivers, glaciers. The source of perennial rivers, glaciers. A river which flows water throughout the year. A river which flows water throughout the year, perennial river. Perennial river. The Himalayan ranges consists of highest peaks. The Himalayan ranges consists of highest peaks, Greater Himalayas. Greater Himalayas. South of the Greater Himalayas is Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Himachal or Lesser Himalayas. Pir Panjal and Mahabharata ranges. Pir Panjal and Mahabharata ranges are part of Lesser Himalayas. Pir Panjal and Mahabharata ranges are part of Lesser Himalayas. The famous valleys. Jammu and Kashmir, Kulu and Kangra in Lesser Himalayas. The famous valleys Jammu and Kashmir, Kulu and Kangra in Lesser Himalayas. The famous hill stations. The famous hill stations in Lesser Himalayas. The famous hill stations in Lesser Himalayas: Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet. Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet. The highest peak in Himalayas. The highest peak in Himalayas, Mount Everest. The highest peak in Himalayas, Mount Everest. Makdok Dimpep Valley. Makdok Dimpep Valley is located Meghalaya. Makdok Dimpep Valley is located Meghalaya. The southernmost range of Himalayas. The southernmost range of Himalayas, Shivaliks or outer Himalayas. Shivaliks or outer Himalayas. The southernmost range of Himalayas, Shivaliks or outer Himalayas. The Shivaliks are called as Jammu Hills, Jammu Kashmir, Mishmi Hills, Arunachal Pradesh, Kachar Hills, Assam. The Shivaliks are called as Jammu Hills in Jammu Kashmir, Mishmi Hills, Arunachal Pradesh, Kachar, Assam. The valleys lying between the Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks. The valleys lying between the Lesser Himalayas and Shivaliks are called dunes. In eastern states, Himalayas are known as Purvanchal. In eastern states, Himalayas are known as Purvanchal. Purvanchal Hills located states. Purvanchal Hills and located states. Purvanchal, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram. Purvanchal, Assam, Manipur, Nagaland, Mizoram. Patkai Hills, Assam, Nagaland. Patkai Hills, Assam, Nagaland. Naga Hills, Nagaland. Naga Hills, Nagaland. Manipuri Hills, Manipur. Manipuri Hills, Manipur. Mizo Hills, Mizoram. Mizo Hills, Mizoram. Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Responsible for the monsoon type of climate of India. Responsible for the monsoon type of climate of India. Himalayas. Responsible for the monsoon type of climate of India. Himalayas. Protect the northern plains. Protect the northern plains from severe cold winds. Protect the northern plains from severe cold winds. Himalayas. Himalayas. Himalayan rivers have a perennial. Himalayan rivers have a perennial because they are rain-fed and melting of glacier. Because they are rain-fed and melting of glacier. Himalayan rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Himalayan rivers Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. The tributaries of river Indus. The tributary of river Indus. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. The tributaries of river Indus, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas and Satluj. Most of the Indus River basin is located in Pakistan. Most of the Indus River basin is located in Pakistan. Doab, the fertile land between two rivers. The fertile land between two rivers is called Doab. The eastern part of the Indo-Gangetic Plains. The eastern part of the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Brahmaputra Valley. The eastern part of the Indo-Gangetic Plains. Brahmaputra Valley. Ganga Plain extends from Ghaggar to Teesta. Ganga Plain extends from Ghaggar to Teesta. Brahmaputra Valley is located in the state of Assam. Brahmaputra Valley is located in the state of Assam. Bhabar. Gravel and pebble sediments. Bhabar, gravel and pebble sediments deposited by the Himalayan rivers. Gravel and pebble sediments deposited by the Himalayan rivers is called Bhabar. Terai. The swampy and marshy region. The swampy and marshy region of Indo-Gangetic Plain. Terai. Terai, the swampy and marshy region of Indo-Gangetic Plain.
లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి.